Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with SnowboardProCamp. We got Kevin,
what's up, guys?
We got TJ there,
the
snowboard experts. If you haven't seen their channel, you should. It is on YouTube. But today I want to learn how to know which foot goes forward on a snowboard. So if I'm regular or goofy, tell me how to know.
Yeah, that's basically the first thing you want to figure out when learning to snowboard. First day on the hill, before you even strap your board on or know how to strap your board on, it's just that first step. And it's fairly easy. You could probably figure it out in about a minute or two. But yeah, it's just basically goofy is riding with your right foot first, and then regular riding with your left foot first. And I don't know if it's exactly connected to being right-handed or left-handed, but there's a few ways that we can test, and then we'll see if the test works, and that's how you know if you're goofy or regular.
All right,
let's do it.
What do we do?
So I'd say the first prelim test is the push test.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll push you from behind, and whichever foot you step with to brace yourself, that will be your front foot.
Okay.
All right.
It's also good if you can to catch your friend off guard. You don't need to push them super hard, but if they're expecting it, that might skew it a little
Now I know
bit.
it's coming.
Yeah, all right. All right, so maybe close your eyes.
I'm scared.
All right, left foot.
Left foot, okay.
Should we try again?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time. Brace yourself.
I was
Lefty.
trying not to fall.
Seems like a lefty.
I'm a lefty.
Okay, so that's the first test.
Okay.
There's a few more that we can do.
Okay.
Run and slide.
Okay.
So it's just like snowboarding, but without the snowboard on, sliding on
I feel
snow.
like we need Tyler for
Should
this.
we run across this way?
I'm not a slider, but
Okay, let's try. Let's get a lane happening right here. I'll do one for you.
Show me.
Woo! That's a lefty.
All right.
I think there's even. Is there a third way? Any other ways?
I would say maybe, you know, if you do other board sports, obviously that usually translates to snowboarding as well. But as far as another test goes, those are the two main ones.
Absolutely. Like if you skateboard, if you've ever surfed, wakeboarded, all those things might give you a clue onto which one your front foot is. And it's kind of your more dominant foot because you're going to that's the one that's in front that you're skating with. And
I'll say the test work because I'm regular.
perfect.
Yeah.
There you have it.
Well, that's how you learn if you're regular or goofy before you go snowboarding for the first time. If you also need to know what to wear your first time snowboarding, we have a video on that. If you want to learn how to be a really good snowboarder, you should check out the SnowboardProCamp YouTube page. It made me a better boarder for sure. If you want to follow these guys on Instagram, it's at
SnowboardProCamp
and at
Board
If you
Archive.
have any more questions, leave it down in the comment section. If I don't know the answer, we'll find the answer. If this video was helpful, thumbs up. Please subscribe for more. Later.
See you guys.
Have fun shredding.
Bye.